Good morning, students. How are you? How are you doing? I hope you are doing very well in your studies. I am your science teacher. Dear students, in previous classes we have completed 1, 2, 3 chapters. Today, in this class, we are going to learn about new chapter, that is the fourth lesson, the right clothes to wear. Dear students, let us learn more about in detail the right clothes to wear. Long ago, when humans lived in caves, they used animal skin, leaves on the bark of trees to cover themselves. Students, do you know early humans? You know, the early humans did not wear clothes. They covered their body with leaves, bark of trees and skin of animals. Nowadays, gradually they learnt the art of weaving and stitching cloth. These days, we wear different types of clothes. People wear different types of clothes. Name the following: shirt, belt, frock, socks, summer frock, shoes, trouser, skirt. People wear different types of clothes. We need clothes all the time. Clothes for home, clothes for school, clothes for play, clothes for a party, and clothes for sleeping. We need clothes for different seasons. Clothes are as important to us as a house. We need clothes all the time. Clothes for home, clothes for school, clothes for play, clothes for a party, clothes for sleeping. These students, we wear clothes, different colors, different types of clothes. Next, students, why do we need clothes? Why do we need clothes? Food, shelter and clothing are our basic needs. Clothes are made up of materials that suit the weather of a place. People wear different types of clothes. Different types of clothes, different types of colors. Dear students, good clothes make us look smart. They protect our body from dust, heat, cold, rain and insect bites. If we wear the same dress for many hours, students, we wear the same dress for many hours? No. Why? Why didn't you wear the same dress for many hours? It becomes dirty. It becomes dirty. So, didn't wear the same dress for many hours. We do not wear clothes, the dirt would stick to our body. So, clothes protect us from dust. People who work in the sun for a long time become tan. The covered part of our body is usually fairer than the uncovered parts. This shows the clothes protect us from the heat of the sun. Why do we need clothes? Clothes protect us from dust and clothes protect us from the heat of the sun. During winter, we wear warm clothes that protect us from the cold. When we go out in the rain, we wear raincoats. They are made up of waterproof material. A raincoat protects us from the rain. If we wear long sleeved clothes at night, we can protect ourselves from mosquito bites. Clothes therefore protect us from insect bites too. Dear students, we wear different clothes at different types of the day. We wear our uniform to school, loose comfortable clothes at home and at a night shoot when we go to bed at night. We wear different during different seasons. We wear light color clothes made from cotton or linen in summer. Cotton cloths absorb sweat also. So we wear light color or white clothes in summer. Clothes shoot the hot weather because they reflect the heat and keep the body cool. Next one, we wear dark color clothes made from wool in winter. During winter, we wear warm clothes that protect us from the cold. When we go out in the rain, we wear raincoats. They are made up of waterproof material. We wear raincoats made from waterproof material such as plastic or rubber during rains. A raincoat protects us from the rain and helps to keep us dry. Raincoats protect us from rain and helps to keep us dry. Dear students, if we wear long sleeved clothes at night, we wearing full protect ourselves from mosquito bites. Clothes therefore protect us from insect bites too. Dear students, wearing full sleeve clothes can protect us from insects such as mosquito. Insect bites such as mosquito. Dear students, cotton cloths protect us from the heat of the sun and helps to keep us cool. Raincoats protect us from rain and helps to keep us dry. Woolen clothes protect us from cold and helps to keep us warm. Wearing full sleeve clothes can protect us from insect bites. So we need clothes. Dear students, fabrics are fibers. Material for cloths. Clothes can be made from natural or synthetic materials. How many types of materials? Natural or synthetic materials. All clothes are made from fabrics. If we look closely at any fabric, we can see that made up of many thin threads. These thin threads are called ends. Dear students, many thin threads. These thin threads are called ends. Weaving or knitting and together from a fabric, each and is further made up of many long and very thin strands called fibers. Fibers may be two types, that are natural fibers and synthetic fibers. First of all, natural fibers. Natural fibers are two types, that is, natural fibers are obtained from either plants or animals. We get cotton or linen for plants. Natural fibers are two types. Natural fibers are made from parts of plants or animals. We get fibers like cotton, jute and linen from plants. This is one type of natural fiber. Next we get fiber like wool, silk and fur from animal. This is another type of natural fiber. Natural fiber are obtained from either plants or animals. We get cotton, linen from plants and wool and silk from animals. We get wool from sheep and we get silk from silkworm. Next, dear student, cotton and jute are natural fibers obtained from plants. Wool and silk are natural fibers obtained from animals. Next one is, people in India have been making fabrics by weaving them on handlooms for the first 2000 years. Next one, synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers like nylon, rayon and polyester are not found in nature. They are prepared artificially and are called man-made fabrics. Dear students, synthetic fibers are examples nylon and polyester. Most fabrics are made from synthetic fibers are strong and can last. Dear students, they are prepared artificially and are called man-made fabrics. These fabrics are stretchable, waterproof and wrinkle-free. They dry very quickly. Synthetic fabrics are non-porous. What is the meaning of non-porous? Non-porous meaning something that does not allow water or air to pass through out. Dear students, next one is the clothes we wear. The clothes we wear. In hot weather, we wear clothes made of cotton. In hot weather, we wear clothes made of cotton. Cotton clothes allow the body heat to escape. Cotton clothes protect us from the heat of the sun and help to keep us cool. Cotton clothes absorb sweat also. White or light color clothes suit the hot weather because they reflect the heat and keep the body cool. In cold weather, we wear woolen cloths. Woolen cloths prevent the body heat from escaping and keep our body warm. In cold weather, we wear woolen cloths. Woolen cloths prevent the body heat from escaping and keep our body warm. Dear students, I hope in this class all of you understand. Thank you. We will meet next class. Stay home, stay safe.